This is where messages from God happen. It's what you need to hear at the exact moment you need to hear it. My videos always find you when you're supposed to hear them. So if this found you, there's obviously something that your guardian angels, or perhaps God himself, or maybe even Jesus, depending on who you asked for these signs from, it's going to come through in today's reading, okay? So the first thing that I'm hearing when I'm tuning into the energy is that there's so much love here for you. There really is. You've always been loved and you always will be loved. That love is always here for you. It's always available for you to tune in, connect to. All you have to do is pick up the plug and put it in the outlet. How do you do that? Get in touch with God. Get in touch with that frequency, that vibration, because it's always there. The only person who pulls herself away is you. God never leaves your life. So with that being said, let's get into the message. And we're gonna go ahead and use my Sun-Kissed Angels Tarot deck. This deck is one that I made and it is available for purchase in the TikTok shop. But let's go ahead and get into the message. So I'm gonna just split the deck here and we're gonna shuffle. And I want you to take a deep breath in. We're gonna get some information of what we need to know. It's not always what we want to know, but what do we need to know in this moment? God knows what you need to know in this moment because he sees everything that's going on in your life. So what do we need to know in this moment? Let me tune in, let me feel. Maybe you feel, perhaps you're getting some clarity in this moment also, because my vibration is very strong, and by you watching this video, you're feeling that vibration. And when you feel this vibration, it helps your frequency raise as well. So after you watch these videos, you might notice some synchronicity happening in your life. Okay. I'm hearing there's realizations coming, there's clarity coming. I feel like you've had some questions, you've been wanting some answers, and I'm hearing that these realizations, these epiphanies, this clarity, it's all getting ready to come into your life. Okay, so that's the first thing. And for some reason, Spirit's showing me a tiger. So perhaps the tiger could be a synchronicity that you asked for, or the tiger could resonate for you in a different way. Now, it could be coming, so remember this. Save this video if you have to, because when that tiger shows up, you're gonna wanna be like, oh my gosh, that tiger, I remember the tiger part of the reading, but what was the rest of the reading? That's when you can come back because you saved the video and hear what the message is for you. Spirit likes to do that, okay? They like to double down on the validation. So what do we have here? You guys, we have the Six of Wands. I think that things are about to move really quickly for you. I think that you are going to be put on a path that you're destined to be on. And when you get on that path, things are going to unfold really quickly for you. And it's gonna just be synchronicity after synchronicity after synchronicity. Is anyone else's kid saying 6, 7? Because for some reason, Spirit just put that into my mind. So I feel like I need to bring that up. Like the 6, 7 thing, maybe that's validation for you. But yes, I feel like it's gonna be one thing after the next. Things are gonna get really, really good in your life. And it's just because you're connected to that energy. And whenever we can hear Spirit, because our frequency is higher, right? Like, look at this, okay? Let's say Earth is down here and heaven is up here. And Earth, wait, no. Earth is down here, okay? Heaven's up here. Let's say, and you want to hear what your spirit guides are saying, or your angels, or God, right? What you have to do is you have to raise your frequency to get a little bit closer, because this frequency never changes. It's the highest frequency there is, and it's always there. It's always, they never leave. They never leave post, right? So they're always talking to you. They're always giving you advice. They're always giving you intuitive nudges. But if you're very low, well, that's gonna make it harder to hear, right? I want you to picture a lake, okay? And Spirit is on the boat on top of the lake. They're in the sunshine, on top of the water. They see the beautiful glistening sunshine rays on the water, right? And you're down here at the bottom of the lake. That's Earth, right? It's hard to hear. And Spirit's trying to shout down, but all that water's in between you. It's hard to hear. But if you can swim up a little bit, you might hear a little bit better, okay? So that's what's going on here. You need to find ways to raise your vibration. Watching these videos is a great way to do this, because with every single video, there's this resonance, and it raises your vibration, because you remember, yes, my spirit guides are real. They really are here. They really are talking to me, and you feel better after the readings. So that is a great way to raise your vibration in itself. But I feel like there's more coming. I feel like this is not the end. I feel like There's a very yin and yang energy coming into your life. And I feel like this is your forever, okay? Because look, the World just came out. That's the World card. And it makes me feel like this is your forever. So this road that you're going down is taking you to your forever. This is like a destined thing. This has always been waiting for you. There's nothing you can do to mess this up. There's nothing you can do to have this taken away from you. It is always there waiting for you. But how soon it comes into your life is up to you. If you can raise your frequency so you can hear the nudges, you can hear the guidance, you'll be able to find it quicker. But if not, it's okay. It'll be there, but it might take a little bit longer. So you have free will. Do you want to take the scenic route? Do you want to drive from New York City to LA, or do you want to get on the airplane and fly? Okay, that's the energy that we're feeling here. What you want is done. It's a done deal. It's wrapped up in a pretty little bow. It's done. But you have to wait till Christmas to get it, right? It's done. What you want is done. So relax a little bit and know that when the timing is perfect, you will receive it. And if you don't have it yet, it's because the timing is not right. And Spirit never mistakes. Spirit never makes mistakes. Because they know where you are at in your life, and they know where everyone else who is a cooperative component to you is at in their life. And they know everyone's pathway, and they know when the perfect time is to link up. So trust a little bit, have some faith, and know that things are going to get better for you. Okay? Let me know if this resonates, and I'll see you guys in my next video.